Alright guys, I wanted to show you a really big secret with Mallomars. Look, my son is behind me already eating them. This is what we do when we have Mallomars. So you get a mug and you want to put 3 or however many you eat. I like to eat 3. So 3 Mallomars right in. 1, 2, 3 Mallomars right in. Now you want to put this in the microwave for 15 seconds. So I'm going in for 15 seconds. And what comes out after 15 seconds is ooey gooey s'mores. I just made my very own s'more. This is the easiest thing to do. It is my favorite thing to do during the fall.